In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word experienced an error trying to open the file. This is a common issue that many users encounter, but with these steps, you'll be back on track in no time. Let's begin by using a feature called Open and Repair. This is a handy tool built into Word that can fix minor file errors. First, open Microsoft Word. Once Word is open, head over to the File menu located in the upper left corner. Click on it and you will see a list of options. From there, click on Open, and then select Browse. This will allow you to locate the file that's causing trouble. After you've found the file, select it by clicking on it. Then look for the small arrow beside the Open button. Click this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you will find the Open and Repair option. Select it. By doing this, you're telling Word to attempt to repair any issues with the file. Now give Word a moment to work its magic. You should see some indication that the repair process is happening. Once it's done, you might find that your file opens without a hitch. This step is crucial as it often resolves issues without needing further action. If that doesn't work, we'll move on to another method, disabling protected view. This is important because sometimes Word's security settings can prevent files from opening. Open Word again if it's not already open. Click on File once more, then scroll down to Options at the bottom of the list. This will open a new window with various settings you can tweak. In the Options window, you'll need to select Trust Center. This is where Word houses many of its security-related settings. Once you've clicked on Trust Center, you'll see a button labeled Trust Center Settings. Click this button to proceed. Now you're in the Trust Center settings. Look for an option labeled Protected View. When you click on Protected View, you'll see several checkboxes that are enabled by default. These options are designed to protect your computer from potentially harmful files, but they can sometimes be overzealous. Uncheck all the options under Protected View. This action temporarily lowers Word's defenses, allowing it to open files that were previously blocked. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. This step is important because without saving, your changes won't take effect. After that, try opening your problematic file again. This time, with Protected View disabled, the file might open without any errors. Remember, it's a good idea to re-enable Protected View once you've managed to open your file. This keeps your system safe from malicious files in the future. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it may be worth checking for updates to Word or reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance. And there you have it. You've learned 2 effective ways to tackle the error message in Microsoft Word. By using Open and Repair and adjusting Protected View settings, you can often solve these problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I hope these steps help you work more smoothly with Word.